My name is Shreyas Malare Aywe and meet my colleague Aviraj Arsur. And my two partners are Yesh Bor and Shubham Ekavade. So, my topic for this project is water recycle and utilization in cities area. The main purpose of this project is reducing the use of flush water in daily purpose of the family. So, as you can see, the calculations per flat and per family. These are calculations as per drinking, bath, clothing and hand wash and toilet purpose. The total recycling we are going to do of this water is 40 liter water we are going to save per day of per family. Now I can show the working of our model. So the rainwater, this is a rainwater harvesting tank. The rainwater has been saved in this tank. And this is a motor pump. The motor pump is pumping the water into the water saving tank of this our society, green society. As we can show, this is first floor and ground floor. The water that has been used for the bathing purpose. This is the bathing system and this is toilet system. As you can see, this is the toilet system. The water used for bathing system, as you can see here. So bathing system water has been collected to soap water reconditioning tank, which is here backside, which is in which we are going to use chemical reagent for getting hard soap water. This water has been collected here as we need the water for toilet purpose. This is the connection to the toilet. So as we need the water, we can use this water by this connection to the main purpose of this project is using bathing, clothing and hand wash water that we are going to save in soap reconditioning tank that we are going to use for flushing purpose of our toilet on daily basis. So finally, I would like to thank Zeal College of Engineering and Research to giving us a financial support for this project, and I would also like to thank our guide Professor A.K. Gaikar sir for giving us a perfect guidance for this project and helping us in various ways. So thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.